Welcome to the campaign manager. Today I will be discussing backyard gardening. We all know the economic situation in almost every part of the globe now, and prices of foodstuff, especially vegetables and some perishable items, are very expensive. Currently, I went to the market to buy some tomatoes and some other vegetables, and I was very surprised about the prices of tomatoes, and everybody is talking about it. I was like, no, I have to revisit my backyard gardening that I have abandoned for some time now. So today I'll be nursing 5 different types of vegetables that we use in the house virtually every day. All my seeds are coming from Sakata. They sell very quality seed. So they are quite expensive, but they are very good seed. So the first one is the tomatoes seedling. This is a indeterminate seed. What it means is that your plant grows up, so it has a long-lasting hot fruiting as compared to the determinate seed. And this is also the beef type of the tomatoes. You can see how it looks like beef. So I'll be nursing 250 out of the 500 seed. The yellow bell pepper is 195 Ghana cedis. That is around $16 $16. With the yellow bell pepper, I'll be nursing 50 seed out of the 1,000. I'm nursing 50 because it's for home consumption, not for commercial purposes. Maybe just to give some to friends. Oh, so you've carried all that, and then my almighty habanero pepper, very hot and spicy. You can't use more than 2 to do your soup or stew or anything. One beauty about this is that when you use it, you use less spices for your cooking. And my sweet cucumber. For this one, I'll be nursing 120 seed because of the space that I'll be planting in. And with this, it doesn't have a long lifespan, so as and when it starts to die off, I will nurse a new seed to replace the old ones. And this is 240 Ghana cedis for the 1,000 seed. And the cabbage, I'll be nursing 100. I'll be nursing 100 seeds. And this is also because it's for home use and giving out to friends. And this is 100 cedis. Oh, can you both bring it for me? In nursing the seed, I need certain things to get the maximum germination out of the seed. One of the main ingredients or items needed to nurse the seed is the soil. For you to get a maximum germination, you need a quality hot potty soil, and this is 250 Ghana cedis for 70 liters bag. I need this nursing tray or bowl. It gives you maximum germination because you don't need to nurse your seed on the floor that you have some ant and other termites to be eating them. So I have different sizes that I will use for the tomatoes, for the pepper and the cucumber. We are coming to nurse the things in the open here. After, we'll take it to hot and then close, or even though it's an open place, but it's a roof place, so that we'll be doing the watering ourselves. We don't want rain to disturb the germination, because too much water will not get your seed to hot germinate. We are coming to fill the trail with the potty soil.
Daddy, Mom, I can do that.
Okay.
Okay, nice.
A big one.
I thought that's what James.
That's what
We've now finished filling the nesting trail. Small hole inside each with my finger. And I've also ensured that the soil inside is a bit firm, so that when you water, it will not sink inside. And then I'll pick one each. Each hole must get one, not more than one.
So which seed is this?
Tomatoes.
The one that is so stuff, why not?
But you are also. So I'm coming to show you the best way to keep your seed after opening them and not using all of them. I retie them in these nylon rubbers, and then after tying them, I have this Helix airtight container that I have, and I'm putting them inside, and then I'll cover them because I don't want air to go into the seed. So I'm coming to take the air out of the bowl by using the Helix pump provided. The air out of it. How do I know? I know from the elevation of the round silicone or the seal here. So now I can put this in my fridge, and I've labeled it so that everybody will know that it's seed that are inside. So I'm going to place this in my normal fridge, not freezer. Okay, so we finish nesting the various seed, as you can see here. So I'm labeling the seed so that I know which one is which. This is tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes, yeah, yes. And the others, and we have to give it some small water. In fact, my nursery water can is spoiled, so I have to do my own nursery can with my small water bottle. So this is a used bottle, and what I did was I just used I have this big sewing pin that I'll be using to sew my greenhouse. So I just use it to pin to create holes at the top, as you can see. So I created various holes at the top so that the water can come out. So as you can see, so I'll just spread small because they don't need much water. When you start watering it, the color is coming back. Okay, so I finished giving it the first water. The tomatoes, the bell pepper, and the habanero pepper should be ready within 3 to 1.5 months for transplanting. That is if you want it to really grow well before you transplant for better results. And the cabbage too should take 1 to 1.5 months for transplanting. For the cucumber, within the next 7 days it should be ready for transplant, because for cucumber doesn't take long for it to germinate. We have 5 different types of seed here. For the cucumber, the bell pepper, the cabbage, and the tomatoes takes within 5 to 10 days for germination. And then after germination and you notice it's ready for transplanting, you go ahead and then transplant. When we get to that transplanting time, we'll do another video to show you how it's to be done to get maximum results. Watch out for our next video on the progress of these various seeds that we've nested today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video for others to benefit. If you have any question, leave your comments. See you in our next video.